We are so pleased to announce our new product, and we are anxious to show you all its new features today. So keep watching.
Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and let me quickly walk you through the one-click affiliate site system and how you can actually take over my site and start earning commissions very, very quickly without actually creating a site. So this is my internet review website that I've actually created for myself, and now you can actually use this site for yourself by actually taking over my site and earning commissions. So how does it work? As you can see on this site right now, this is my website. It has my picture and my name and my profile over here, and all the affiliate links, all the banners, all the ads are basically my banners, all right? My links and everything is mine. Now, when I go into the admin area over here, I can actually replace, so this is my one-click affiliate system on the left side, and then you can actually add your name. So I have my friend Mike here, so I'm actually going to create an account for him and then see how Mike can actually take over my site as an example for you. So I'll just put in his info here, Mike and Thomas, and then bio. Hi, I am an internet marketer and blogger who loves to review software products and training courses. Read the reviews on this site and buy them if you like, right? And then add his picture over here, so you can upload his picture from here. And let's see if I have any pictures over here. Yes, so add his picture over here, and then his affiliate ID can be added over here. So let me quickly see. I got all this info from Mike a few minutes ago. So this is his JVZoo ID, and then this is his ClickBank ID that he gave me, and then this is his Warrior Plus ID. All right. So all this info can be found inside your JVZoo account, your Warrior Plus account, and your ClickBank account as well. Now just hit save, and basically now this entire site will become his site. How? This is your one-click affiliate site URL, right? And then when you actually share this URL on Facebook or send any traffic through this URL, my entire site will become your site. So let me click on this preview button, so it takes me to the site. And as you can see here, now on the right side, it is Mike's picture and his profile here and his name. And then all the links over here will actually become his links. So let me see, let's go in here and then see this JVZoo member review and click on this review here over. And then you will see it has a great review content, all the banners over here. And then also in the banners, you will see that at the bottom of the link, his ClickBank ID has been added already. Even on the JVZoo page, let us see. When I click on this JVZoo link, that basically was an affiliate link of mine earlier, now it became his. So when he goes on to this page, this is the sales page for that offer, and scroll down below to place your order and click on this buy button. On the checkout page, it will show that you have been referred by Mike from Maine. So basically this is now his affiliate link, and he will earn the commission for this link, not me. So basically this is how Mike has taken over my site, and across the entire site, it's all his info, even all the call to action buttons over here at the bottom. You will see this is all his link at the bottom. You will see in the bottom there is a link that shows up, maybe too small to see in this video, but then it's all his information. Even for say ClickBank, it is all his. Even for all the Warrior Plus articles, it's all his info. So this is how Mike has taken over my site, and then this site gets a lot of organic traffic as well. So I highly recommend you use this and buy this and then start making sales without actually creating any content, because I have done all the hard work for you. You can simply take over my site and then start earning commissions from my site. I don't make any money from this site when you use this link, and actually you earn all the commissions. All right, thank you.
So, if you want to find out more information about us, check out the link below.